Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on the different types of drama. There are 4 types of drama. They include tragedy, tragicomedy, and melodrama. I am going to explain each of them in details with illustrations. But before I go into explaining the different types of drama, it's important for us to know the meaning of drama. Drama is a story that is written in art and scenes that makes extensive use of dialogue, and it's meant to be presented on stage by actors. As I said earlier, the different types of drama include tragedy, comedy, tragicomedy, and melodrama. Tragedy is a drama that ends on a sad note, that treats serious topics like murder, death, pain, or insanity. According to Aristotle, a Greek philosopher, it says that tragedy is supposed to cause pity and fear on the audience. Pity in the sense that the audience should feel pity for the actor, for what has happened to the actor, and fear that such thing might happen to him. One of the most important features of tragedy is that the main character must have a tragic flaw, which is usually hubris. Hubris simply means pride. And tragic flaw is the quality that the character has that will lead to his downfall. A good example of tragedy is Oedipus by Sophocles. Oedipus is a story about a boy that was born, and it was prophesied that the boy will grow up and kill his father and marry his mother. His father and his mother tried every possible means to make sure that such thing does not happen. Even when the boy grew up and managed to know about the prophecy, he also took measures to make sure that the prophecy does not come to pass. But at the end of the day, every of his measure and every of his parents' measure actually facilitated the fulfillment of the prophecy. The next one we'll consider is comedy. Comedy is a type of drama that ends on a happy note, with sole objective of making the audience laugh and making them happy. Comedy is further categorized into dramatic irony, sarcasm, farce, and black comedy. Farce is simply a type of comedy that uses exaggerated situations or improbable situations to make the audience laugh. For example, you're in a theater and you're watching a drama and you see a comic character brushing his teeth with a toilet brush. That is actually an improbable situation and is quite exaggerated. But as the audience, it will certainly make you laugh. Dramatic irony is simply a type of comedy where the audience is aware of what is going on in a situation and the character isn't aware. That kind of comedy tries to create tension between what the character knows and what the audience knows. A good example is found in Shakespearean Othello, where Othello is telling Iago that he knows that Iago is full of love for him and that Iago is a man of integrity, without him knowing that Iago is already plotting against him, which the audience is aware of. Sarcasm is another type of comedy that is used to mock someone through ironical remarks. The main objective of sarcasm is to amuse and hurt someone. A good example of sarcasm is found in Julius Caesar, where Mark Antony is always using the phrase honorable men, whereas there is nothing honorable in Brutus killing Caesar. Black comedy is a type of comedy that tries to make something serious, like pain or death, to be funny. A good example of black comedy is found in Tristram Shandy, an English novel, where Tristram, a 5-year-old boy, went to urinate through an open window and a sash fell on him. And the family laughed over the fact that the boy has been circumcised, whereas the boy is in pain. The third type of drama that we have is tragicomedy. Tragicomedy is actually a drama that involves both the characteristics of tragedy and the characteristics of comedy. It could be a play that involves serious issues like death and pain, but ends happily, or a play that ends sadly, but has some moments of humor in it. An example of tragicomedy is William Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice. Though the play ends happily with a marriage, it involves serious issues like death and pains in it. The last type of drama, which is melodrama, is a type of drama that has exaggerated situations and exaggerated characters. Melodrama usually tells stories of beautiful heroines, charming heroes, and bad villains. In melodrama, the characters are stereotyped. There is no character development, and the characters are so flat from the beginning to the end of the play. So we discussed the 4 different types of drama: the tragedy, comedy, tragicomedy, and melodrama. Tragedy, drama that end on sad notes. Tragicomedy, drama that has both the qualities of tragedy and the qualities of comedy. Melodrama, A drama that uses exaggerated situations, that has stereotyped characters. A drama that has stereotyped characters and makes use of exaggerated situations. We also talked about the different types of comedy. That's farce, sarcasm, dramatic irony, and black comedy. We said that farce is a type of comedy that uses exaggerated situations and improbable situations to make the audience laugh. And sarcasm is a type of comedy that is meant to hurt someone and amuse another. And we also considered dramatic irony. We said it's a type of comedy where the audience know what the characters do not know. Tragedy, a drama that ends on a sad note. Comedy, a drama that ends on a happy note. Tragic comedy, a drama that has both the qualities of tragedy and the qualities of comedy. And the last type of comedy that we talked about was black comedy, where serious situations like pain or death is being treated lightly and being made funny.